Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Bluetooth audio delay. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you have connected your iPhone with a speaker or AirPods and it's delay in audio, then I'll show you how can you fix it. First of all, you have to open setting app and you have to turn off your Bluetooth at least for the 30 seconds and just simply turn it on again, and hopefully after that your problem will be fixed. And once it's there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to tap on that device which you have connected, and you can see here just simply have to tap on that and just simply have to forget that device and try to rejoin it, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's there guys, then maybe you are not close to that device, just simply have to close to that device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's there guys, and what you need to do guys, just simply have to open settings, just simply scroll it down, tap on channel, scroll it down all the way, and just simply have to shut down your device. So you have to fully shut down your device, and you have to fully shut down your speaker, AirPods, and fully turn this on, and you have to turn on your device, and after that you have to reconnect, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like, don't stop my channel. Thanks for watching.